Aircond installation. Here are some glimpses of Aircond installation. We have air conditioner installation service. Look at our employees, they work very carefully to give satisfaction to our customers. We also got one more of our top notch. It's called chemical overhaul cleaning. We will always put our best effort to make your air conditioner clean. We use quality chemicals. Free site visits for our customers. Our young and energetic team is always ready to provide you with our professional service. Our office is located at Bandar Puteri Puchong. And don't forget to contact us.